tutorial, we'll look at solving an equation with the variable on both sides. We are going to solve the equation 5x plus 2 equals 2x minus 10. Again, when solving equations, from the beginning we need to determine if either side can be simplified. In this example, neither side can be simplified. Remember, the goal of any equation is to isolate our variable or to get it alone on one side of the equation to determine its value. Notice, in this equation, we have our variable on both sides of the equation. This is going to make our steps a bit different. 5x and 2x are like terms. Now, because they are on different sides of the equation, we cannot just combine them together to make 7x. Also, we notice that positive 2 and negative 10 are like terms, but they as well are on separate sides of the equation. Our goal for this particular equation is going to get all of our variable terms, or all of our x terms, to one side of the equation, and all of our non-variable terms to the other side of the equation. This will help us to solve for x. We are going to try and get rid of the 2x on the right side of the equation. To get rid of a 2x, we can subtract by 2x. Remember, what we do to one side of an equation, we must do to the other side. Simplifying the left side of our equation, we can do 5x minus 2x to get 3x, and then we're left with plus 2. So 3x plus 2 is our simplified left side. Simplifying the right side of the equation, 2x and minus 2x will cancel each other out, leaving us with negative 10. At this point, to help isolate x on the left side of the equation, we need to get rid of plus 2. To do that, we are going to use inverse operations and subtract by 2 to undo the positive 2. What we do to one side of an equation, we do to the other side. Simplifying this, on the left side of the equation, plus 2 and minus 2 will cancel each other out, leaving us with 3x. On the right side of the equation, negative 10 and negative 2 will be negative 12. Notice at this point we have successfully gotten all of our variable terms to the left and all of our non-variable terms to the right. So now we have 3x equals negative 12. We are close to getting x by itself on one side of the equation, but it is still being multiplied by 3. To undo multiplication, we use the inverse operation of division, so we divide by 3. What we do to one side of an equation, we have to do to the other side. Simplifying the left side of the equation, 3 divided by 3 is 1, leaving us with 1x. We know that 1 times x is x. Simplifying the left side of the equation, negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. So we have determined that x equals negative 4. At this point, it's important to check our work by substituting negative 4 back in for both of our x's in our original equation. We will start by simplifying the left side. First, we will do 5 times negative 4, which is negative 20, then negative 20 plus 2, which is negative 18. Now let's simplify the right side of the equation. We'll start by doing 2 times negative 4, which is negative 8, then negative 8 minus 10 is negative 18. So our answer, negative 4, checks out.